In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change MetaTrader 4 background to white. This is a quick adjustment that can make your charts cleaner, easier to read, and more comfortable for long analysis sessions, especially if you prefer a bright workspace or plan to take screenshots and printouts. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few helpful notes so you know exactly what to expect. First, make sure you have a chart open in MetaTrader 4. When the platform is running, you'll see a chart window showing price movement for a symbol. That's the area we'll be working with. You don't need to change the instrument or time frame for this. Any visible chart is fine. Next, move your cursor anywhere inside the chart area, right-click, and choose Properties from the context menu. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press F8 to open the same Properties window. This window is where MetaTrader 4 stores the visual settings for the chart you're currently viewing. It's designed to separate layout options into clear sections so you can find what you need quickly. Once the Properties window opens, look along the top for the Colors tab. You may also notice another tab called Common, which handles things like chart type and general behavior. But for the background color, stay on Colors. The Colors tab lists each visual element of the chart. Things like the background, foreground, grid, candles, and lines, along with their assigned colors. Find the option labeled Background. It's typically near the top of the list. Click the color box next to Background and select White from the color picker. You'll usually see a small preview update inside the window, which gives you a quick look at how the chart will appear once applied. Keep in mind that switching to a white background can change how other colors stand out. For example, candles, bar outlines, and grid lines may look more pronounced or, in some cases, lighter than before. That's normal. You're just seeing the same colors against a brighter backdrop. When you're happy with the selection, click OK to apply the change. Your chart will immediately switch to a white background. That's it. Your visual environment is now brighter and typically more print-friendly. If you ever want to revert, you can repeat the same steps and choose a different color. Thanks for watching. With that small change, your MetaTrader 4 charts should be easier on the eyes and better suited to your workflow.